my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
I was slowing it down for myself. Welcome back to my channel. I'm T and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a wig show and tell for you. I'm actually coming wigless, which I don't normally do. This is just my natural hair. I did recently shave it again because I was trying to grow it out and I just couldn't. It does need to be colored. I do see a couple grays, so we do need to do that. We do have a co-host who is sleeping, Kit Kat. So yeah, I am in my new setup. This is my second day of filming in my new setup, so we shall see. When I was looking at the video going back through it, I did like how it looked. It is weird to do this setup this way because I'm not positive where everything is. I knew where everything was, so I'm getting used to it. But again, if you have any comments, thoughts about the new setup, let me know. I am using a lens on this right now. I can not use a lens and be closer, but I can also edit it closer, so that's why I'm kind of like, I'm cool with using the lens because that will give me some options in editing to bring it in or have it out so that you can see more of what you want to see more of.
Okay.
Before we get started today on my I have like I can see everything. I have a huge mirror right here. It's just so cute. So anyway, before we get started, let's talk about a little bit about what's on my face because I'm liking what's going on here. I am wearing this Dominique Cosmetics palette. This is her Berries and Cream. I got 3 of her palettes. They're on sale right now at Sephora for $22 and it is stunning. It was worth the 40 something that they used to be, but $22 is a steal. This is a large palette. These are the colors that are in here. They are just so gorgeous. On my eyes today, I have this shade right here, which is called Warm Pie, which is literally my favorite shade. The matte, it's matte with glitter. It's so soft and buttery. I also have the color next to it called Chocolate Mousse in the outer corner. The mattes in here are amazing. I have a little bit of this Soft and Sweet as the base color. When I'm touching these, they're just like, they're like velvet. I also have this Honey Dipped all over the lid. That's all I use for this look. I've used this a few times so far. Oh, I also use this Toasted shade here on the bottom. So you can just see those shades are just stunning. These mattes here are just literally, I don't know. I can't even, let me see if I can, yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. They're just so beautiful. They're like, I had this light here on. I just totally ADHD'd. And I really like it, but it was causing my camera to flicker, so I think if I put it down so it's sort of glowing but it doesn't have too much, will be okay. Anyway, the mattes in here, all the shades in here, they're just gorgeous, they're beautiful, and for $22 it's a dang steal. This is well worth it. On my lips today, I am wearing a new gloss from ColourPop. This was part of the Bambi collection, and this is in, it's their Luxe Gloss in the shade Bambi, and it's just like this. It's a cute little container. It's just a silky, it's just a lip gloss, but I really like their Luxe glosses. So next on the docket, next up, we are doing a wig show and tell. The reason I'm doing it as a wig show and tell is because I have not worn this wig, but this is a pre-owned wig. It was not new, so I didn't want to do it as a regular review because I do have all the deets and everything, but it's not going to come in the original packaging or anything like that. But today we have Miss Aspen from Estetica. Okay, so Aspen is the new Avalon. She was originally called Aspen. Now she's called Avalon. So this is her right here. You can get her at wigs.com, wigoutlet.com, which is wigs.com's outlet. You can also get her at Wig Studio One. This wig was $256.22, and you can get her between like $250 to $260-ish. And if you get her at Wig Outlet, she is there for $169-ish, but there's only a few colors. I have the color R613 BG14. It is a dark blonde with a fine pale blonde highlights. It is a rooted color. This is a lace front wig. Because she was, I put a wig cap on her. Because she was pre-owned, she's not going to be as like big as she would be when she first comes out, but you can see here there is the lace front. She's got a lace front all the way into this lace parting, weft cap. There are adjustable straps. The person I got it from put in clips, but it does not come with clips. There are adjustable straps, and here's the rooting. It's definitely like a number 6 root. And you can see that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rooting there. So let's get her on and then we will talk about her. Okay, so I got her together. I think she looks really cool. So this became an impromptu review of this texture spray from Jon Renau. I know that I did the Estetica spray, but I don't know that I did the Jon Renau one. So this is the Jon Renau Boho Beach Mist for alternative human hair. It says it's for human hair, but it also says on the description that it can be used for synthetic. Perfect for making waves and refreshing curls. And I got it from wigs.com for $21.95 at 30% off. An additional 30% off. She was definitely struggling for a minute, and I don't know if it's because she needs wash, because like I said, she's a pre-owned wig, but I feel like with the sea salt spray, she really came together. I really like this color. I love the rooting. It is a small wig cap. I don't believe that it was, I mean, it didn't indicate that it was a small cap, and this cap is a little bit small, so I would look at the measurements of the cap when you buy it. They do come in different cap sizes, and I know that Jon Renau carries petite, but it usually says petite like in the name. But like I said, it didn't say that. But also, this is the Aspen version of Avalon, so potentially they have changed the cap. So I might get, if you would like me to get a newer like Avalon and do a comparison, I can go ahead and do that. Did I say Jon Renau? I meant to say Estetica. I have new Estetica wigs. I didn't find them to be a smaller wig cap. So either this is a petite or this is because it was an older version. So I think I might get the new version of the Avalon. I really, really like her. I just think that I might need to wash her, but definitely with the sea salt spray, I think it made a lot of difference. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, she looks nice from the back. Faux show. Well, so far so good. I do actually like this wig. I know I paid a lot less than retail for it, which is fine. I got it off of Poshmark, and I think that it was worth it, even though it was slightly used. I mean, there wasn't even powder on the part, so the person barely wore it. I'm pretty sure she said she got it, wore it one time, put it in her closet, which is why there's Poshmark. Anyway, let me know what you think of this wig. If you have this Aspen version or the Avalon version, go ahead and put that down below. If you'd like me to review another Estetica wig, my name brand wig playlist is going to be down below, so check that out first to make sure I haven't already reviewed it. And if it's not there, then go ahead and put it in below, because everything goes below. If you have subscribed, please do so if you have. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, that sea salt spray, even as it dries, ooh, it's getting even better and better. Yeah, I don't know, I'm digging her. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.